Welcome to Tulsa, Yard 19. I'm General Manager Rachel Fashing.
I'm Assistant General Manager David Shook. Let's take you inside for a tour of our facility.
Welcome to the family.
In our lobby, you'll be greeted by one of our friendly CSRs. We'll be able to assist you with taking payments, answering any questions about the website or a lot. They'll also be able to walk you through our Copart mobile app.
What we recommend is you come out to view the vehicles on Thursday from 8 to 4:30 or Friday from 8 to 11:30. We don't want you to miss the auction at 12.
Please go to our website or our mobile app and view all the pictures and all the lot information that is available for you.
Come with me, let's introduce you to some of our staff. This is Stephanie, our dispatcher. She's been with us for 12 years.
Some advice I have for you is to go through the tutorials whenever you are thinking about becoming a member. The tutorials have tons of advice. It gives you step-by-step introductions of what you need to do, how to become a member, how to upgrade your membership, and how to basically just go through the auction in general.
Safety first.
If you're going outside to view our lots, we will give you this nice green safety vest to wear so you're safe out in the facility when viewing your lots, so our equipment can see you easily. Let's go take a tour of the yard.
This is our loader operator, Chuck. He's been with Copart for 8 years.
He's here to tell you about his day-to-day activities and how he's here to assist you.
I can help you by helping you load your vehicle up. We can help you if you need it driven out. Also, we can help you on preview day when you're looking at the cars that you're going to purchase. We can help you find the locations. We can help you find out if it's a start or a run and drive. We can also show you the app and introduce you to that and show you how you can find a lot of that information right on your app.
All right, thank you for your time, Chuck. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Chuck. We have over 1,900 vehicles in inventory.
We average 250 plus vehicles a week through the auction. We want your viewing experience to be the best here at Copart. We make sure that when you're escorted out, we have jump boxes available for you, so we're able to jump that vehicle right then and there's no wait.
Come visit Tulsa, Yard 19, or you can visit us at www.copart.com or use our mobile app.
We hope to see you here.